Ah, yeah, baby. You couldn't guess already. Everybody knows this place. Ah, yes. That's right. We're back at the historic Cathedral of Learning. Built in circa 1927 to 1936. This building took nearly 10 years to build, apparently. Look at this fountain. It's like I'm not the only sightseer here. See, Latin, I don't know. Look at this fountain. But everybody knows what's in here. Oh, yes. Yeah. I decided, by the way, I'm by myself this time in Oakland. No Patrick along with me, no other friends. God help me. Okay, so why not? Let's go ahead. Beautiful building, ain't it? Yeah. Probably the highest observation deck you can get in the city of Pittsburgh. Let's go for these brass or copper doors. Bronze, I don't even know. Oh, wow. Wow. My eyes are kind of adjusting. Wow, I haven't even been here in so damn long. Ah, yes. I think it's about time we actually have an actual HD take of these elevators. So, if I remember correctly, the highest floor is 36. Ooh, look how they did the doors. That's kind of cool. Little texture on them. I guess they're trying to make it look like how it looked like originally. 36. We're in car G. Okay. I've been up since 5:30 this morning, and I'm kind of getting kind of woozy right now. I always like that sound. There with the chimes, whatever. I think these are actually the very first Otis Compass Pluses in like Pennsylvania, probably, or period, actually. Okay. Is it here? I arrived here, though. For G. That one's going down. Come on. Sorry, it's going to be a while. At least it's not as bad as they were before. Gee, cripes, the first time I rode these things, one of them nearly killed me. The freaking doors were faulty on it. Okay. Let's see, let's try to do this. Maybe I can speed it up. Probably the first time there it is. Here's my ride. Here's my elevator. Okay. Ooh, we got a service elevator. Going up. Ooh. Oh God, brace yourself. This is gonna be crazy. Hold on tight. It's gonna be crazy. Whoa. Whoa. What? In only 2 seconds, we got up to 3. Everybody getting on?
Nope.
Okay. There we go. And as you can see now, we got little advertisements and stuff. And a little TV thingy over there. There we go. Whoa. Holy.
Smoke weed.
Holy crap. Whoa, this thing's shaking. Oh. Oh, wow. 13, 14, 15. Oh, we're about to get to... Oh, my ears are going to pop. My ears about to pop. Woo! Holy crap. Whoa! Oh! Oh, wow. And da-da-da-da, the staircase is back. Well, let's take a look at this thing. And no, it wasn't wiped out of existence. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this. Let's take a look at these windows while we're at it. We're high up now. Oh wow. I'm trying to figure out where everything is. I'm kind of disoriented, to be honest. Oh yeah, there's Illuminati Hall down there. It used to be an old Masonic temple. I see children's over there. There's Children's Hospital over there. I think you can see the North Shore from here. Right over there somewhere, or some parts of it. I think we can probably get a better view if we go upstairs, though. No. Let's go back up the staircase again. Okay. It's kind of crazy to think about it. It's scheißen gekocht and ficken nós.
E aí é o bairro mais
Yeah.
da
Over there's the old Swickley High School, I believe, or was it Shinley High School? I don't know what it was, but it's the old Swickley or Shinley High School that used to be open years ago. I think it was the first public high school in Pittsburgh, probably. Opened in 1916. You can see the VA over there, the Veterans Hospital over there, and you can actually make out downtown Pittsburgh right over there. Right. So we'll resume the video. Down there is the Carnegie Museum of Art and Natural History, as well as the library. The flagship library. Well, not really the flagship, because the flagship library is actually in Braddock, but this is like the main library branch right here. But yeah. Oh, and the neon's still there. The neon's still lit up on the place. That's cool. That's cool. Oh yeah, one of the things I wanted to see was the neon in the place. Yeah, look at that. Something about artists less known, you know? It's like, you know, above that, before it's lit up though, you have like the old school artists like Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, stuff like that though. Mozart. But when it's light up at night with the neon, you see like artists like Tupac Shakur, you know, Biggie Smalls or whatever, you know. Robin Williams, I think, is somewhere on there too. It's really cool. A little bit of old and new. Let's take this elevator, see if we can ride this. Ooh, if we can. Unfortunately, I just replaced an old 50s Westinghouse. Let's see, can we go up to 40? I think we can. Oh, oh, nope, we can't. 38? Nope. What about 37? Oh, we're going up. We're going up.
37 floor.
Man, this looks so different now. What? What? This looks so different now. What happened to the old men's room that used to be up here? What the f? Oh, wow. Do they actually still do radiator heat? I think it is. This is probably a new radiator. It's almost like European style, actually. Oh, yeah, these must be public bathrooms now. I still kind of miss the old ones. These ones are kind of blah. Hey, look at that light. It's just generic. It's kind of boring. For the most part, kind of boring as it's not even pretty, you know? Why am I reviewing a bathroom? I should let Andrew do that job. But hey, there's actually a view out this window here, which is nice. Sorry. Had a little bit of a Tourette's guy episode there. I think I have Tourette's. As well as OCD and stuff. I don't even know why. Hey, it looks nice up here. Too bad the bathrooms are less to be, or something to be desired better. Perhaps it even looks like the 36th floor a bit. Like the same lights, same architectural style, same all that. That's cool. I wonder if this is all new, actually. It's private offices. I shouldn't really be. I don't think I'm supposed to be up here, to be honest. Hey. What'd you expect? Soldiers and Sailors Hall. And I believe if you look over there, there's this weird-ass looking water tower. Kind of reminds me of the one at the Mill Creek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. That style. Yeah. Okay, let's go back down. Okay, let's go back downstairs. I think I stayed my welcome up here. The only thing that's public up here are the bathrooms. I feel kind of woozy in some ways, you know, to be honest. There we go. It's like a... Okay, right. 36. Wish I could go up to 40 though, but apparently I can't because it's locked off. That's where the beautiful boardroom's at. And I think there's actually a falcon nest on the side of this building, believe it or not. Like a pear G falcon nest, believe it or not. It's really cool. I wonder if it's still there. I gotta ask them about it. Look at all the graffiti and stuff on the walls. This must be from like years. Like years, I mean years of stuff. Excuse me, ma'am. I heard there's a falcon nest on this building.
On the roof, yeah.
Yeah. Are there still falcons there? Oh, I like to see them.
You're going to be looking out the window for a long time.
Alright. Alright, okay. That's cool. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go down to B. I'm going all the way down. Yeah, I'm just admiring the elevators, you know, or the building itself. I think like the 37th floor is public again.
Not technically.
But it's probably for only the bathrooms though.
Yeah. We don't really tell people that it's public though.
Okay, I know. Do you mind me getting you on camera?
I would like it to not be.
Okay, I'm not going to get you on camera. Don't worry. You're not going to be on camera. Okay, thank you. Okay, another service elevator. Here we go. We'll go all the way down to the basement. Okay, hold on. Whoa! Hope I can catch the next bus that heads back into downtown Pittsburgh. Oh, wow. Oh! Yeah, look at this. I think this might have been mercury vapor originally. I don't know. Of course, now it's like, well, they're probably LED by now. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Even the freaking cab walls are pretty in the service elevators. What? That's insane. Oh, oh! Holy crap! We're here. We're here. Hi. Hi.
You looking for something?
Bathroom?
Right here. Right here, honey.
Yeah, I'm just recording the elevators.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, these are. Hello? Want to see some vintage bathrooms from the 30s? Look at this. Yeah. Ain't that something? There's like locker rooms in here and all that stuff, shower stalls. That's something. That's definitely. Look at those old standard urine toilets. Oh great, I'm gonna sound like freaking Andrew Reams now. I'm reviewing freaking commodes. Okay, the Richard E. Ross Studio Feeder. I'm gonna take a look in here. There's like a big feeder down here. Is this it? It's locked? I don't know. I like to see. I like to look inside the feeder though.
It's torn. You go up to 36? See the view?
Yeah, I went up to 36. I came all the way down here.
You go up to 3? There's some nationality rooms up there.
Oh yeah, I know. I know all about them.
Okay.
Hey, does this feeder go into like an overground place?
No, that's
No, that's just a costume shop.
Yeah, that's locked.
What about the feeder? Is the feeder over here?
Yeah, it's all locked
Yeah,
up.
but it's locked up.
But-
We did it from here.
Yeah.
Is it that like, you know, does that also go into like the upstairs or something?
Yeah, I got 3 guys too.
Yeah.
You can't get to it.
He may be talking about.
Like, can you get like from like street level, or is it only down here?
Just down here.
That's interesting. Interesting setup. Okay. Let's go to G. And my minutes are running up again. You can actually see where the old hall stations were. Here it is. I don't even know. Let me go up to ground level. Here we go. Hold on tight.
Level 2.
Even though it says this is the main level, 1 would be the main level. Of course, here's the annunciator over here. Kind of looks similar to the roll your gram actually, except these are LED instead of VFD. Oh, you got like Otis Series 1 pictures and stuff, yeah. So yeah, these were the elevators at the Cathedral of Learning in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.